channel. I'm so excited about today's video, you guys, because I've actually been teasing it for a while and you guys have been super excited. You guys really enjoyed my last DIY Walmart video where we took in men's jeans and we made ourselves some mom's jeans on a budget and they were super cute. But today we're actually gonna make a bunch of really cute Pinterest aesthetic vibey looks from Walmart. So we're gonna be cutting, we're gonna be doing some DIYs, and I'm just gonna show you guys a little haul of different pieces that I have picked up that maybe you wouldn't think to put together, and then you put them together and it's a total vibe. So obviously all of this is gonna be on a budget because we are gonna be pulling pieces from Walmart. So if you guys are ready, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you guys get notified every time that I upload. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Pinterest, which I'm a little bit more active on now. So I've been sharing different things, pinning different things, and on Instagram I've been sharing outfit inspo and stuff. So make sure that you guys follow me on there. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, so we're gonna start with a pair of men's sweats from Walmart. You guys have definitely seen me talk about these before. I got mine in a size small, and we're just gonna go ahead and see where it is that we wanna cut them and make them shorts. I personally want them to be a little bit longer. That's kind of the vibe of the ones that are trending right now, but you can definitely go whatever length that you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut in a straight line, and then what I'm gonna do is just fold it over and then just cut the other side, which just makes the process so much easier. Also, something I forgot to mention is make sure that you pull out the pockets, because since they are bigger men's jeans, you might cut into the pockets and you don't wanna do that. Okay, so I tried them on and I want them a little bit shorter, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a little more.
Okay, so here are the shorts, you guys. I feel like they came out so cute. I have another pair that I cut myself, but I made them a little bit more booty shorts. I kind of did one of these. So what's cool about it is that you can literally make them whatever way you want. I like the way that I did a straight cut on these, but like I said, you can make them whatever way you want. I've mentioned this before on my channel, and I've showed you guys these before on my channel, but if you're new to my channel, you don't know. Obviously I got these at Walmart, but they also have the matching crew neck top, which I love, also $6, so it's $6 something, it comes out to $7. So this whole entire kind of little shebang set here was 14 bucks. And this is a way that I'm thinking of styling it. This is very trendy right now. The tennis aesthetic is very in, the skirts, the pleated skirts. You guys have totally seen it on Instagram or on Pinterest. So I feel like it's just a really, really cute vibe for really, really affordable. And this little bralette is also from Walmart. It comes in a pack of 3 for $9, and they have all the colors that you can think of. So I'm gonna be showing you guys those in just a sec. But what do you guys think? I feel like this is so cute. I paired it with my New Balances. These socks are also from Walmart. Like I said, we're kind of gonna have a little haul down the line where I just show you guys random things, but this whole outfit pretty much is Walmart, honey, okay? But I'm living for it, and the cool thing about it is that they have all the colors. They have a light gray, a dark charcoal, they have red, they have black, they have neon yellow, I think they have neon orange. So anyways, you could definitely have a ball, and they're so inexpensive. And also I think online they have white, they have different colors. So do not sleep on it because it's definitely cute. All right guys, so next up we are going to be transforming these men's jeans into shorts. And if you guys did see my DIY men's mom's jeans, whatever, from Walmart, then you guys already know that these are guy jeans and we actually took them in on the side. So if you guys don't know how to take them in, because we are not gonna be doing all that today, I'm gonna go ahead and put the video up here and link it down in the description box so that you guys can check that out later. But you will need to probably take them in unless you just use a belt. So then just refer back to that video. But these are actually the ones that I did that one time, and I'm not gonna be cutting these because I love these. So I have a brand new pair that we're gonna be cutting, and I'm excited because these shorts that I'm gonna be making go out of stock so quickly. They're not even super expensive. I mean, they are kind of expensive in some places, but they're just really hard to find. So we're gonna make our own today. Have different shades, different colors. So whatever it is that floats your boat, you can go ahead and use those. So if you guys are ready, then let's just go ahead and jump right into it.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the exact thing that we did with the sweatpants. You could go ahead and try it on and then see where you want it to go down to, and then just mark it and cut away.
this is how it turned out, and I absolutely love how it looks. I got it in a size 29-30. You guys already know this if you guys saw my other video. But also these are the straight leg shorts and straight leg jeans. I don't know what this would look like on the regular ones because I know that the regular ones are a little bit baggier, so I would definitely recommend going with the straight leg jeans unless you have like bigger thighs or a bigger butt, then you want to have a little bit more space, then maybe go with the other ones. But these kind of worked for me perfectly. I feel like these are so cute, and if you want to go shorter, you definitely can. I personally love the length that we have going on here, but if you're scared of like going in with the scissors, I would just say inch your way into it as opposed to just cutting and then you can't add on the fabric. You know what I mean? So anyways, I love the way that these look. Yes. Okay, honestly, the men's section at Walmart is my favorite. Like, you guys already know this. And the men probably hate me because we're taking all of their favorite jeans. You guys are always hitting me up like, girl, there are no more jeans in the men's section. And I bet the guys are pissed, but we look cute, so it's okay. So I'm kind of like blending into the background here, but should I go over here? Okay, I'm gonna go here. This is awkward. Okay, so this one right here, I actually didn't cut in person because I've had this one for a while, but I thought I'd share. Did I get makeup on it? I probably did. Ignore that. But anyways, this is actually a kid's shirt, and I cropped it, so that's pretty much the DIY. You literally just crop it. I also did a purple one, so they had so many different colors. They had baby yellow, baby blue, dark blue. They had so many colors, and I really stopped myself from getting a lot of them. I think there were like 5 something. And I got this in a size large, but they did have like extra large and I think 2XL. So I feel like it fits perfectly, and these are super trendy right now. People are putting sweaters over them, which is totally a vibe. Like I said, I added with the skirt because I feel like it's a very like tennis vibe that seems to be very trendy this year. So you could just imagine this would probably be actually, ooh. This would be cuter for sure. I'll show it to you guys right now, but I want to show you guys what it would look like with the sweater. It's very like schoolgirl vibes, but that's kind of like on trend right now. I've seen it a lot on Pinterest, so you know, we're trying to get into the aesthetic here. So I know that it's currently probably too hot for sweaters, but listen, fall is in like right around the corner, so it's fine. I think this will still be in trend by then. But listen, honey, I am just living for this fit. It's honestly so cute. It's super like schoolgirl. I added my little scrunchie. Well, I've actually had it, but it's been a vibe. I've been obsessed with scrunchies right now. Super like early 2000s, 90s. You guys know the vibes. But listen, what do we think about this outfit? I'm not gonna want to take it off. I already know. Isn't it so cute? Oh my God, what? It's even cuter if you tuck it. This is all of the vibes. Okay, this is like major schoolgirl. I already said everything, but listen, I love it. So like I said, it was $5, and what's cool about it is that this is like a super trendy way to wear it because I've seen a lot of people on Pinterest wearing it like this, and I'm personally into it. Very, like I said, very schoolgirl vibes for the 17,000th time. But like I said, they have different colors and they're only $5. Okay, would you wear something like this? Please comment down below because I'm like 1000% into it, but are you into it? Let me know. Here we have the purple one. Honestly, guys, I'm kind of like living for all of these looks, and I'm kind of shook that they're all from Walmart. But like I said, they have several different colors. You could even pair it with like a purple scrunchie to kind of give you like a monochrome look. And that's it. Like, those are the vibes, you know? Okay, so the rest of this is pretty much just gonna be kind of like a haul. We've kind of done with the DIY moments, but I wanted to share this men's. Again, we love the men's section at Walmart. It's like a men's dress shirt, and I love it just to kind of like throw on. I will definitely be wearing this with like a bikini and like taking photos in it. It's super, super like lightweight, which I really like because I feel like this would be like a good swimsuit cover up. Also, maybe if you wanted to like tuck it in, if you wanted to do kind of like one of these, like there's like endless options. They have similar tops that I saw at Misguided, but they didn't have my size. And I was like, wait, you know what? A man's shirt can definitely work. Obviously, the idea came from me trying to steal one of Michael's shirts, and then he didn't really have like one white one like this. So I was like, where can I get one? Walmart, obviously, hello. But honestly, love. And like I said, it's super light weight and like airy, so you don't have to worry about being like suffocated or anything. So I will definitely be taking photos with pretty much everything that I have showed you guys so far, but for sure I have an idea for a photo that I want with it. So it was $13, and they also have black ones. They do come in like one of those packs of like dress shirts, so if you don't see it hanging anywhere, it's because it's going to be where the dress shirts are inside of the packaging. I got in a size small, and I personally love how oversized it is. I definitely recommend. I feel like it's so cute, and you guys will most definitely see me wearing this on my Instagram. Alright guys, so my next purchase is this really cute Def Leopard band t-shirt. You guys know that I love a band tee moment, obviously, and I don't believe I own anything that's like a light like cream color like this, so when I saw this, I immediately was like, I need it in my life. I got in a size large. You guys know that I like to get all of my t-shirts and band tees and graphic tees oversized. I love the way that it looks. This one I tucked into that same little white skirt. You can see in the back, it's pretty baggy, so I'll definitely be styling these with like baggy jeans and just have like a complete like baggy moment. And like I said, this little scrunchie has just been giving it to me lately. I have a bunch of them. I've purchased so many of them, and I just like to kind of like match them. And this has actually kind of like low-key matched everything, which is a vibe, but it just kind of like adds a little bit something to the look, you know? Okay, so next I'm gonna show you guys these two little bras. Well, it's like little sports bras that I was wearing. It's like a pink, but you can't tell for some reason. It's like super overexposed, but it's exactly like the white one that I'm wearing underneath. And it comes in a pack of 3. These are actually kids sports bras, but the size that I got, which is 36, is like pretty in the middle, so they go up pretty high. So I mean, obviously this is a kid size. I definitely could have gone one size up, but I kind of matched it to the other bras that I'm going to show you. So just kind of go off of that. But I love them, you guys. They come in a pack of 3. They're $9, and this is a set that came with the white one, but then there's also ones that you could get that's like white, black, and green. Like I also have like a mint green one, and they just have like trios with different kinds of colors. They have red, gray, charcoal, black. They have all the colors that you can think of, and they're only $9, which I personally feel like is a steal, just because you could wear them under anything. They're sports bras, and I feel like they're cute to even just wear out, you know? And then these next ones that I have here are also, they're the exact same price, $9. But these are like a different cut, obviously, but still a sports bra. These again come in a pack of 3. So this right here is a pack of 3. I love them, and I also got these in a size, I got them in a size 36. So I got these first in a 36, and these fit perfectly. And then the other ones are a little bit smaller, but I think it's just the cut where like my boob kind of like sticks out just a little bit. So I would say these are kind of like regular size and maybe size up on the other ones. But again, we'll be linking them, and these also come in like trios of like endless amount of colors. Okay, and then lastly, you guys are always asking me about my crew socks, and if I'm not wearing the Nike ones, then I'm wearing these, which is these right here that I'm wearing. They just, I mean, they're crew socks, iconic, obviously. And these are the really tall ones, and these are actually kids socks, so boys socks. I have a pretty small foot. I'm a size like 5.5, 6, so I definitely fit into kid sizes. Sometimes when I get girl sizes, they're like too big, so I'm better off getting kids. But these were like $8 for a pack of 10, which is a really good deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and link those down below. But they also have the ankle socks, and then they have the ones that are like not so high. They're kind of like mid socks, but I love these, and I've actually worn all of them. This is my last new pair that I was saving to show you guys, but they're super comfortable, and yeah, they're socks. So I know sometimes it's hard to find like those super basic things, and you're like, it's super basic, but like where do I get it, you know? Walmart is the place to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and link them down below. I love them. I wear them pretty much every day if I'm not wearing these or my Nike ones, so definitely recommend. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know down below in the comments which one of these like outfits or pieces that we pulled from Walmart was your guys' favorite. Like, was this your guys' vibe? Are you guys into this? Because if you are, I've been wanting to do that like recreating Pinterest outfits. I feel like I've seen some videos of those and they look like so much fun. So if you guys are into it, please send me pins so that way I can recreate the outfits that you guys send me. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. And also don't forget that I did link all of the items that I talked about down below in case you guys have any questions. But I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.